Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the HWPO Training workout app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. HWPO Training is a fitness app created around the hard work pays off philosophy, offering structured workout programs designed by elite athletes and coaches. The app provides daily training sessions, strength and conditioning programs, warm-ups, mobility routines, and performance-focused workouts. It's available on both iOS and Android and is built to support users who want disciplined, progressive training inspired by professional athletic preparation. The app's main feature is its guided training system. Each day you receive workouts with detailed instructions, recommended weights, movement standards, and video demonstrations. It supports multiple training tracks, including strength, conditioning, functional fitness, and specialty programs. HWPO Training also tracks your performance, logs your progress over time, and helps you stay consistent toward your fitness goals. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its well-structured programs, professional-level coaching, and the motivation that comes from following athlete-inspired training. The app helps users stay disciplined, improve strength and conditioning predictably, and offers clear explanations for each workout. The variety of tracks also makes it flexible for different fitness levels. However, there are some drawbacks. Full access requires a paid subscription, and beginner users may find some workouts intense or advanced. The app relies heavily on self-motivation since there's no live coaching, and certain programs may require equipment not available to everyone. In addition, some users feel the interface could offer more customization options for personal training preferences. In summary, the HWPO Training app may be worth using if you want structured, high-intensity workout programs, professional design training plans, and a disciplined approach to fitness. However, if you prefer lighter workouts, need fully customizable routines, or don't want a subscription-based fitness app, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.